Welcome back, fellow history enthusiasts! Today, we embark on a thrilling adventure as we dive into one of the most captivating mysteries of all time, the search for the real Noah's Ark. Was it just a biblical tale, or could it be grounded in reality? Join me on this exciting journey as we explore the evidence, theories, and controversy surrounding this legendary vessel. Let's get started! The story of Noah's Ark has captivated minds for centuries. According to the Bible, God instructed Noah to build a massive ark to save himself, his family, and pairs of every animal from a catastrophic flood. That's what we're here to find out. Our first stop takes us to Mount Ararat in modern-day Turkey, where many expeditions have been launched in search of the elusive Arkansas. It is believed that the Ark came to rest on this mountain range after the floodwaters receded. But is there any tangible evidence to support this claim? The search for Noah's Ark on Mount Ararat has been a topic of great interest for explorers, scientists, and believers alike. Over the years, various expeditions have reported findings that they believe could be remnants of the Ark. However, due to the harsh climate and the difficulty of accessing the region, conclusive evidence has eluded us so far. Despite the challenges, the most renowned discovery related to the Ark was made by a team led by Ron Wyatt in the 1980s. They claimed to have found a massive wooden structure buried within the ice on Mount Ararat. Could this be the actual remains of Noah's Ark? Wyatt's team certainly sparked excitement, but skeptics argue that the findings have not been independently verified, leaving room for doubt. Furthermore, some scientists argue that the structure could be a geological formation or the remnants of a different ancient structure. Beyond the search on Mount Ararat, other intriguing theories suggest the Ark could be located in different regions altogether. One theory proposes that the Ark may be resting in the Durabnur site in Turkey, shaped like a boat and measuring around 500 feet in length. This location has sparked controversy and debate within the scientific community. The Durabnur site is indeed a fascinating location. Its boat-like shape and size have led some researchers to speculate that it could be the remains of Noah's Ark. However, other experts argue that the formation is purely natural and has no connection to the biblical account. As we continue our quest for answers, it's crucial to acknowledge the diversity of opinions and beliefs surrounding this ancient mystery. The search for Noah's Ark is not just an exploration of history but also a journey into faith and the power of storytelling. Many people around the world firmly believe in the biblical account of Noah's Ark. To them, the search for the physical remains is not only a scientific pursuit but also a validation of their faith. The power of myth and its influence on shaping our collective understanding of history cannot be underestimated. While we may not have a definitive answer yet, the ongoing search for Noah's Ark reminds us of the enduring allure of historical mysteries. It encourages us to keep exploring, questioning, and unraveling the truths hidden within the annals of time. That's all the time we have for today. I hope you enjoyed this expedition into the enigmatic world of Noah's Ark. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more intriguing historical mysteries. Until next time, keep exploring, my fellow adventurers!